What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the connection timeout error you are getting when trying to play Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. You should first of all make sure that your game files are complete and up to date. Open up your Steam library. Here, right-click Lost Ark and select Properties. On this window, in the Local Files tab, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will take a minute to re-download and replace any missing or corrupted game files. When this is done, restart your Steam client. Simply open up your system tray, right-click the Steam icon and select Exit. You can then try to launch Lost Ark again to see if this fixes the connection timeout error. If you took part in the Lost Ark technical beta, then make sure to remove all of the beta files by uninstalling the beta version of the game. The problem could also be related to your network connection or the server you are playing on. I suggest verifying the Lost Ark server status page to make sure that your network connection issues are not related to the server you are playing on. On this page, you can preview the server status for the 4 server locations and if the server is operational, busy, full or in maintenance. If you feel like the issue is related to your own network connection, then make sure to test your connection by visiting speedtest.net. A normal up and download speed without interruption is important to have a stable gaming experience. Especially your ping should remain below 100 milliseconds. When this is done, make sure to account for any VPN service which could be running on your system, or turn off your VPN while in-game. Make sure to use an Ethernet cable to ensure the best possible connection. If you have to use a Wi-Fi connection, then make sure to restart your router or modem if you haven't done this in a while, and reduce the amount of devices connected to the same network. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.